Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Ninja Gaiden 4 gamepad or controller not working on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart your PC. So for that, click on the Windows icon over here, then click on power, then select restart. So this will restart your system. After restarting, now check if controller is working or not. If not, next method is to update controller drivers. For that, first you need to connect your PC and controller, and after that go to the Windows search over here, search for device manager. Now go below expand human interface devices. Here you have to select your controller. Now right click on it, click on update driver and click on search automatically for drivers. So this will search if there is any update available for your controller drivers, and after that restart your PC once and then check whether the controller is working or not. If not, next is to disable and enable Steam input. So for that, launch Steam. For that, go to Steam. Now on the library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on controller, then here you have to select enable Steam input and then check if it's working or not. If not, again come back and select disable Steam input and then try to launch the game and see gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. This will verify the game files, and after that check if gamepad or controller is working or not. Next solution is to check for game updates. So you must check if there is any update available for the game. For that, launch Steam and under library section select your game, and here you can see if there is any update available. It will be visible here. Simply you need to click on update option, and once the game is updated, then check if controller or gamepad is working. Next solution is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. This will check if there is any update available. Now simply click on check for updates, and after updating your Windows, now check on the issue if it is resolved. Next method is to remove controller and add it again. So for that, you need to go to settings and Bluetooth and device. So for that, go to search option, search for settings. Now click on Bluetooth and devices. Then here your controller will be added. You have to remove it. So simply click on three dot icon and then click on remove device. After that, restart your system once. After restarting, again come back to open settings and click on Bluetooth and device. And here you have to click on add a device and click on controller over here, and after adding it, check if it's working or not. Next is to launch Steam in big picture mode. So for that, go to Steam and here you can see big picture mode. Click on it. After that, select your game over here. Now after selecting the game, check if it's playing or not. So after selecting the game, click on it to play the game, and after that, and if it's playing, then well and good. You simply need to click on Steam option over here, then click on power, then click on exit big picture mode. So after this, check if the issue you are coming across is resolved or not. If not, next is to install DS4 Windows tool. So for that, I have provided this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser, or you can also search for DS4 Windows tool on your browser. Now after the website opens, here you have to click on download option. Now after that, go below, and from here you have to download the DS4 Windows tool, and once you download it, install it, and after that connect your controller and update it. Once done, launch the game and then check for the error if it is resolved or not. So these are few solutions that will fix Ninja Gaiden 4 gamepad or controller not working error. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.